sir, your positive outlook?
No, 2-0 is nothing. Was nothing kung hindi namin papanalunin yung Game 3. It's a best of 7 series. You need to win 4 games. So we need to prepare hard. We know Ginebra will not give up. And we expect that. So it's about the mental now. 2-0, yes, okay, but we need to win 4. So we need to prepare for Game 3.
But are you satisfied and happy regarding officiating?
Yes, okay naman. Maayos naman. Siyempre may mga lapses, may mga pagkakamali, but you know, it's during the game kasi yung emotions nandyan eh. But you know, I always talk to the referees. If they are missing a call, sinasabi ko sa kanila and they say sorry. And then okay. And then sometimes ako naman yung mali and they say sorry. So yun lang. So siguro it's about communication.
What are some measures you want to make to prevent Ginebra from coming back?
I think it's about mental na nga eh. So we know Ginebra will come back. But we have to be ready for that. So yun nga, it's about our execution on both ends. We play a very good defense on the last 5 minutes. And we execute on our defense. We execute, we force them to miss the shot and we run. So that's our, siguro it's a break of the game. Parehas na team, mapapansin nyo naman, parehas na team. They are working hard, very aggressive. Now it's a break. Yung break lang ng game yung siguro yung nagpanalo sa amin.